Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in AI tools with Asana, beginner guide step by step clearly. Investing in AI tools with Asana can enhance your workflow and productivity. Begin by creating an Asana account if you do not already have one. Visit the Asana website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required information to create your account. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Navigate to the main menu on the left side of the screen. Click on Projects to view or create new projects. Select Create Project to start a new project. Choose a template that suits your AI tool development needs. Consider templates specifically designed for tech or product management. Next, outline your project goals and desired outcomes. Identify the AI tools you want to explore or implement. Research each tool's features, pricing, and user reviews. Create a task for each AI tool you are considering. Assign deadlines for researching each tool. As you research, document your findings within Asana. Use the comment feature to add notes or insights on each task. Once you have narrowed down your options, evaluate their integration capabilities. Check if the AI tools easily integrate with Asana. This can streamline your processes and improve team collaboration. After making your selections, create a new task for implementation. Set a clear timeline for when you want to start using each tool. Assign team members responsible for each tool's implementation. Use Asana's collaboration features to keep everyone aligned. Regularly check on the progress of these tasks and projects. Utilize Asana's reporting tools to assess effectiveness. Monitor your team's feedback on the newly integrated tools. Adjust your strategies based on the outcomes and feedback. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.